Click Automobile button and select Toyota Camry 2006-10 to enter key data. Click Search button, input TOY43 and select Silca TOY43 903 10 to enter key data. You can click Info button to see the key is aligned by tip. Usually no need to use stopper when fix the key position. Press Decode button to enter decoding page. Select the most right blue icon as sense key location and round off. Check original key can open cylinder. Fix the original key on the top level of the clamp. Please pay attention to the key position. Press Decode button to start decoding original key and get the key numbers. This is key code for a Toyota Camry key. Click Code button and input 5-5-0-6-2 to get the key numbers. Click Input button and input the key numbers you get from other ways, such as cylinder, Li-Shitu, or Instacode, etc. Press Cut button to enter cutting page. Select NKL Silver as speed and the most right blue icon as sense key location. Take out original key and fix a new key blank on the top level of the clamp. Please pay attention to the key position. Press Cut button to start cutting a new key. Please remember to close the safe gate. cutting is done. Open the safe gate. Clean the clamp and the new key. Take out the new key. The new key is working very well. Amazing!